In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create budgets using the Budget Manager in Xero accounting software. This will allow you to plan and manage your financials effectively, ensuring your business stays on track financially and can meet its future goals. Let's start by focusing on the navigation within Xero. To begin, you'll need to move your cursor to the top of the page where you'll find the navigation bar. You're looking specifically for the section labeled Reporting. Go ahead and click on that. This section is crucial as it houses all the reports and analytical tools Xero has to offer, which are essential for tracking and analyzing your financial data. Once you're in the reporting section, you'll see a list of options, but what you want to do next is select All Reports. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of every report that Xero can generate, offering you a complete toolkit for financial analysis. Within this list, look for the financial performance report types. Under this category, you'll find the Budget Manager. Click on it, as this is where you'll be creating your budget. The Budget Manager is a powerful utility that lets you develop detailed financial plans by forecasting incomes and expenditures. Now that you're in the Budget Manager, it's time to create a new budget. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Budget. Click on this drop-down and select Add New Budget. This step is critical as it allows you to set up a fresh financial plan tailored to your specific needs for the upcoming period. Once you've initiated the process of creating a new budget, you'll need to input some essential details. These include the start date and the period the budget will cover. Setting these parameters helps define the time frame over which you'll measure your financial performance against your goals. Enter these details carefully to ensure accuracy. Now, let's move on to entering budgeted sales figures. In the Budget Manager, you'll see blue text boxes. These are your input fields. Here is where you enter the projected sales figures for the period you've defined. Make sure these numbers reflect your forecasted sales accurately. This aspect of budgeting is vital as it forms the basis of your financial targets and helps in understanding potential revenue streams. And there you have it. With these steps, you have successfully created a budget using Xero's Budget Manager. Remember, budgeting is an ongoing process. Regularly updating and reviewing your budgets will help you maintain financial health and achieve your business objectives. Stay proactive about your financial planning, and you'll effectively steer your business towards success. Thank you for joining us today, and be sure to reach out with any questions or for further assistance with Xero.